Now we are going to see the topic Newton's inverse square law. Newton's considered the orbit of the planet as a circular. Newton planet circular orbit consider பண்ணிருக்காரு. For circular orbit of radius r, the centripetal acceleration towards the center. Therefore, A is equal to minus v square by r. A is the centripetal acceleration towards the center. V is the velocity. R is the distance of the planet from the center of the orbit. We know that the velocity is equal to distance by time taken. Therefore, the velocity in terms of known quantities r and t. Therefore, v is equal to 2 pi r by t. T is the time period of revolution of the planet. The velocity value v is equal to 2 pi r by t is substituted in the first equation. Therefore, the equation becomes A is equal to acceleration A is equal to minus of 2 pi r by t the whole square by r. Therefore, 4 pi square r square by t square by r square. We are simplify this equation minus of 4 pi square r by t square. Now we apply the according to the Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. F is the force. M is the mass of the planet. A is the acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration. Therefore, the F is equal to ma. The A value substitute in this equation. Therefore, F is equal to m into F is equal to m into minus of 4 pi square r by t square. Therefore, this equation becomes F is equal to minus 4 pi square m r by t square. According to Kepler's third law, r cube by t square is equal to k is a constant. We arrange this, simplify this equation. R by t square is equal to k by r square. The r by t square value substitute in the above equation. The force expression can the law of gravitation F is equal to minus 4 pi square mk by r square. Negative sign implies the force is attractive and it's act towards the center. According to Newton's third law, Earth is attracted by the sun. The sun must also be attracted the Earth with the same magnitude of force. He equated the constant 4 pi square k to gm by the law of gravitation. Therefore, the gravitational force F is equal to minus gmm by r square. Negative sign in the above equation implies the gravitational force is attractive. The orbit of the planet to the circular, which is not true, as the orbit of the planet around the sun is elliptical. The circular orbit assumption, because planet orbit is very close being circular and there is only very small deviation from the circular shape. Now we are going to see the topic gravitational constant. The value of gravitational constant G plays a very important role in the law of gravitation. The value of G explains the gravitational force between the earth and the sun is so great, while the same force between the two small objects, for example between the two human beings, is negligible. In the force experienced by mass small m which is on the surface of the earth, we know that the gravitational force F is equal to minus g m1 m2 by r square. Therefore, now we write the equation F is equal to minus capital G capital M of E small m by r e square. Capital M of E is the mass of the earth, m is the mass of the object, Re is the radius of the earth. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to minus mg. Comparing the above two equations, now write minus mg is equal to minus g m of E m by r e square. Minus minus cancel, m cancel. Therefore, g is equal to g m of E by r e square. Now, the force experienced by the some other object of m mass m capital M at a distance r from the center of the earth is given by, therefore, this F is equal to minus of G, capital M of E, capital M by R square. Therefore, the G value can be written as capital G M of E is equal to G into R E square. The G value substitute in this equation. Therefore, F is equal to minus Gm R E square by R square. It is clear that the force can be calculated simply by knowing the value of G. It is noted that the above calculation capital G, therefore gravitational constant is not required.